Cooperatives and MSMEs, Simon Chelugui, is spearheading efforts to increase dairy production after years of a downturn. Natasha Wairimu reports.
Rono kutoka Chepkinoyo.
Dairy farming has received a boost after the government allocated 1.5 billion Kenya shillings, which will standardize and improve milk prices, and another 700 million for expanding milk processing farms that produce milk.
Tutapata 500 lingine na hapo Januari tutapata shilingi milioni 500, totally 1.5 billion to support farmers and to manage prices of milk. Tuko na mpango mzuri sana ya kupanua na kuongeza hii mambo ya maziwa. Tuna mpango ya kupanua hii plant ya capsabet. We are working on a budget of 700 million shillings. Hii cooling plant ya capsabet itoke kutoka cooling plant to a milk processing plant.
Speaking in Kapsabet, Nandi County, the Cabinet Secretary in charge of Cooperatives and MSMEs, Simon Chelugui, said that the government aims to improve the lives of farmers by reducing the cost of production of milk.
The responsibility I have and the national government is to look for a federation that sources for the market for this milk, because tukisalisha hivyo tutakosa soko hapa mjini, so itatubidi tuvuke kule kwa majirani. Hiyo ndio mpango ya wizara yangu na hiyo ndio mpango ya serikali.
He urged the farmers to embrace the government's efforts in this process, promising to bring on board foreign markets to increase profits. Natasha Wairimu, TV47, Nairobi.
Thank you.